Now we growing up and things real rough.
Yeah.
Find the money corner sitting on the block.
Yeah.
A gunman pass and body start drop.
Yeah.
Little youth and survive by luck. Now we
Yo,
left.
that's why people not anthem in the ghetto right now. Is me I say positive song. Is me I say
Reaction.
Reaction boss, say we do this for fun. Yo, Trinidad, mother cunt, them scared. Grenade and madman, them now play one full call. And my little scunt get played. Reaction I take where you ghost then. Shoulda never ride a beat, shoulda buy a hearse then. 15 accurate and working. Shoulda never ride a beat, shoulda buy a hearse then. Boom! What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Boss! Back in to put another video for you guys. Now today we're here with an upcoming artist from Trinidad that goes by the name of Zion. Song called Need Your official music video. People, well, I'm gonna big up some people right now. Leave a like on this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post right over there. So you see them comment there? Your one might be over there. So I'm gonna big up some people. So the song was produced by Shaka Pro, big up yourself, you see me, I say, written by Zion, that's the name of the artist, big up yourself, Zion, and you see me, I say, video shot and edited by Gen Productions / Young Gen. Check him out on Instagram, you see me, I say, but that is also Young Gen, big up yourself, bro, God. People can see what I'm going for the song, yeah. But before the video begins, you know what you need for the right? Hold on, you know what you need for the, hold on. You know what you need for the right? You know what you need for the right? Enjoy the boom! Enjoy the video now. Anyways, run on!
Nah,
Yeah.
They don't see it. Shut up for one time.
Alright.
Zion, yeah.
Zion, yeah. Well, I can come to sing for the girls. Them in a song called Need You now. Hold on there. I'm going to stay singing to the brother, but hold on there. Go on.
They don't see it now.
Shut up, watch now.
Why every youth wanna walk around town? All a big fat spliff on a rails all gun. We don't know the pressure them a feel. Them a search round place just for rob and steal. Liquor youth growing up hard life. Lost him mama at the age of 5. Father couldn't
Like
take
this, we need some more positive music. Take off all the glasses. I will have vibes right now. You see me, I say, this is not no girl thing. Positive vibes, it's not gunman thing. Positive vibe. You see me, I say, okay, why I say Zion. Talk to it. Listen keenly. Go on.
Kid commit suicide, now him left alone to make it right. So he moved to him auntie down in a yard town.
Yeah.
The community is shaking, now watch out with my grow.
Alright.
Watching gunman them with them Glock in a hand, them a claim dominance over we on land. Now him can't understand. Faced with rejection in the situation. Jaja him need you because he get to think it not easy. Jaja him need
guys, man say, Jaja, we need you. Cause you get a thing, it not easy. You see me, I say, I cry for help. You see me, I say, basically, I sing to God. I say, yo, we need the help right now, brother. It's not easy to get it right there. So, you see me, I say, the way things are look, no, too much people are dead off over here. So, you see me, I say, it don't look pretty. And that's that I make you know right now, people. What me want you to do right now, rate the song down below in the comment section. Link to the original song be down below also in the comment section and pin in the comment section and also in the description of this video. Check it out for yourself. But I want to rate the Zion. Give me an honest opinion. I want to say what I think about Zion right now. You see me, I say, I give you my opinion at the end of the video, so watch the full video. Follow me on Instagram.
Good! Because he get to think it not crazy. Jaja him need you because he get to think it not easy. Jaja him need you because he get to think it not crazy. Them don't understand
It not
the
easy.
struggle that I get to you'd face on a daily basis. Now we growing up and things real rough.
Yeah.
Find the money corner sitting on the block.
Yeah.
A gunman pass and body start drop.
Yeah.
Little youth and survive by luck. Now we
Yo,
left
that's why people not anthem in the ghetto right now. You see me, I say, positive song. You see me, I say, they cry for help. And that for the #1 song right now in the streets, brother. I did know if I play, brother. Listen, just listen to the lyrics that man I put forth to his ears. Listen.
down just to make it right. So him change up him life for Christ.
Yeah.
So him just up real clean with a Bible in a hand. Educate himself, watch how him a grow. So now we live in a better life. Preaching the word of Christ. everywhere.
But come on, you could have actually put the man in a little jacket on and tie, you know what I mean? Make him dress up look up. But you know, I know it's God say come as you are, but at the same time, you know, character now that. But go on!
We go. Jaja, him need you because he get to think
It's not easy.
Jaja, him need you because he get to think it the crazy. Jaja, him need you because he get to think it not easy. Jaja, him need you because he get to think it the crazy. Jaja, him need you now. They need you now. You get to think it they crazy. Crazy.
How y'all think about the video too? I comment on everything, you know. We are rate everything in this. Me I say, me and Una we are judge the song, you know, dog. You see me I say. So after the end of the video, me give you my thoughts. Some want to give me phone thoughts, you know. We are rate everything, you know. You see we I say we are work together right now. You see me I say, alright, go on.
Jaja, him need you.
Alright, bodyguard.
Because he get to think it not easy.
Where they know it's still, but
Because he get to think it not crazy. Jaja, him need you. Because he get to think it not easy. Jaja, him need you. Because he get to think it not easy. Jaja, him need you. Because he get to think it not easy. Jaja, him need you. Because he get to think it not crazy. Jaja, him need you. Because he get to think it not easy. Jaja, him need you.
me get the message I try to put across with that, but that repeat too much. Me not like that. Make it sound even longer. Me not like that part there. Me I go be honest with you. But me like the visuals. You see me I say, me I get the visuals. For the song, yeah, me I get the visuals. Yeah, I go to 8. You see me I say, me I get the song. I get the song at 8 also. You see me I say. But we get the message, we like it, we like the positive vibe people. That we are push right now. So see me I say, so no go and try my song in the streets. Drop on the thoughts and it down below in the comment section. Go check out Zion. Link down below in the description. Also pin in the comment section. Make him know say the reaction. But I said no over there. So you see me I say. I say big up to Shaka. I say big up to Zion. I say big up to Young Jen. You see me I say. Jen Productions. Don't know reaction bar sign out. And if you have an upcoming artist or anybody, I do promotions if you don't know. You see me so link by Instagram. Tyrekevlogs. Send a person to you. Don't know chap. Reaction bar sign out.